Okay, well we're ready for our final instalment. Some people might call it the moment of truth. Our vehicle's now been fitted with all the stage 3 components: intercooler, intake, silicon hose, turbo elbow, muffler bleed, stage 3 Racingline turbocharger and Miltech Sport downpipe. It also has been flashed with our stage 3 DSG software running on the stock clutches. So we're about to give it a run on the dyno. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, here we are with the results from the Stage 3 Mark 7R. Another warm day in Brisbane, as you can see, over 30 degrees in the dyno cell, but the results are very, very good indeed. So we've got the stock run down here from the other day, and we've got our Stage 3 runs up the top in red. Now the car was delivered with 98 octane in the tank. We have not changed that. So the results are, so we've got gains of 180 Newton meters, peak to peak. So peaking at 570 Newton meters at around 4,500 RPM, and an increase of 142 kilowatts, peaking at around 6,100. So yes, the power curve has moved up towards the top of the rev range, but as you can see, the area under the curve is phenomenal.